In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom keyboard shortcuts on Ticktick. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or streamline your workflow, customizing your shortcuts can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Ticktick website. Ticktick is not just any to-do list app, it's a powerful tool designed to keep you organized with its array of features including task management and scheduling. Once you're on their site, the initial step is to click on the Sign In button. This will lead you to a variety of options for signing in. For convenience, select the Google option, allowing you to log in using your Google account. After this, simply choose the Google account you'll use with Ticktick. Now that you're inside your Ticktick account, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where your profile is located. A click there will show you a menu, and from this menu select Settings. This area is your control panel, so to speak, where you can tweak the app's behavior to match your preferences. Inside the settings, you'll find various options. Look for shortcuts and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see all the default shortcuts available within Ticktick. To personalize these, simply click on the specific shortcut you wish to change. Once clicked, the option to enter a new key combination will appear. Enter a combination that's intuitive and easy for you to recall. This could be something simple yet effective, which suits the action you're personalizing the shortcut for. Ticktick allows customization for a variety of actions such as printing tasks, opening the command menu, adding new tasks, expanding or collapsing subtasks, and even searching through your tasks. By customizing these shortcuts, you can perform these actions swiftly without having to navigate through multiple menus. Remember, these shortcuts are here to make your task management process as seamless and efficient as possible. Spend a little time experimenting with different shortcuts until you find the combinations that work best for you. And don't worry if you don't get it right the first time, you can always come back to the settings menu and make adjustments as needed. By setting up custom keyboard shortcuts on Ticktick, you're optimizing your productivity, making task management quicker, and remaining in control of your time, so take advantage of these customizable shortcuts and make Ticktick work even better for you. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more productivity tips. Have a great day and happy organizing.